Welcome back to Dream Car, the channel where we bring you the ultimate machines that define luxury, performance, and pure automotive passion. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join us on the ride through the world's most incredible cars. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 BMW M7. This car isn't just another addition to the 7 Series family. It's the flagship performance sedan from BMW's legendary M division. Designed to take the luxury limousine formula and inject it with a heart-pounding adrenaline-fueled character, the M7 is not only about getting from point A to point B in style. It's about dominating the road with unmatched power, cutting-edge technology, and the kind of craftsmanship that sets new benchmarks for luxury sedans. Let's start with the design. The 2026 M7 commands attention the moment it comes into view. The front fascia is bolder than ever, featuring a redefined kidney grille that's slimmer and more aggressive. Flanked by ultra-thin laser headlights that give the car a futuristic stare, the sculpted hood lines flow smoothly into muscular shoulders, emphasizing its performance DNA. From the side, you can't miss the long wheelbase proportions, the subtle embadging, and the aerodynamic tweaks that give away its performance pedigree. Around the back, quad exhaust tips and a sporty diffuser remind everyone that this is not just a luxury cruiser. It's an M car built for speed. Step inside, and you're greeted by an environment that blends executive comfort with motorsport influence. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, from soft merino leather to carbon fiber trim. BMW's new ambient light system gives the interior a futuristic glow, customizable to match your mood. The dashboard is dominated by the latest curved display, running BMW's iDrive 9, seamlessly integrating navigation, media, and driver assistance features. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with reclining seats, entertainment screens, and a level of space and silence that rivals private jets. But unlike any private jet, the M7 offers you the chance to actually drive, and that's where things get exciting. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M7 is expected to pack a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain, delivering close to 750 horsepower. The electric boost not only makes acceleration instantaneous but also helps efficiency when cruising. BMW claims a 0 to 60 time of around 3.2 seconds, which is astonishing for a full-size luxury sedan. Power is sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system with rear-wheel bias, ensuring maximum grip while still allowing playful handling when you want it. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts faster than ever, making sure the car is always in the perfect gear for performance or comfort. But raw speed is only part of the story. The M7 introduces next-level adaptive suspension, capable of reading the road ahead using cameras and sensors, adjusting damping and This means you can glide over rough city streets with limousine smoothness, then carve through mountain passes with sports car precision. The steering has been fine-tuned for sharpness, and thanks to rear-wheel steering, maneuvering such a large sedan feels surprisingly effortless, whether you're parking in tight city spots or taking on high-speed corners. Technology takes center stage too. The M7 features BMW's latest semi-autonomous driving suite, capable of handling highway cruising almost on its own, while always keeping the driver in command. Gesture controls, voice interaction, and even augmented reality navigation make the driving experience feel futuristic. For audiophiles, the new 4D sound system from Bowers & Wilkins transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering not just sound but vibrations through the seats for a completely immersive experience. Of course, with all this performance and technology, luxury hasn't been compromised. The M7 remains a sanctuary on wheels, offering massage seats, 4-zone climate control, and even a panoramic sky lounge roof that bathes the cabin in light by day and stars by night. It's a car that makes no compromises, blending the comfort of the ultimate 7 Series with the performance DNA of BMW's most hardcore M cars. The 2026 BMW M7 represents a bold new chapter for BMW. It shows how luxury and performance can coexist in perfect harmony, giving owners a car that can be a chauffeur-driven limousine by day and a track weapon by night. It's the kind of machine that turns every drive into an event, whether you're heading to a business meeting or blasting down the Autobahn. So, what do you think of the all-new BMW M7? Is this the perfect balance of luxury and performance, or do you think BMW went too far blending the two worlds? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, because I'd love to hear what you think about this groundbreaking sedan. Thanks for watching Dream Car, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into BMW's newest flagship, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the most exciting cars in the world. Until next time, keep chasing your dream car.